Hello again, and it is time for the Super Bowl. Hi, I'm Jack Buck. That's Summerall alongside, and believe it or not, there's one thing that hasn't been said about this game to this point.
Obviously, both coaches and both teams have a tremendous amount of respect for each other, but the thing that Jack Buck is referring to is something that Bud Grant told me during the week. They expect a tough game.
And you know what teams have accomplished to get here in the Super Bowl right now. Pat Summerall, that initial momentum is so important in a game like this because even though the emotions are not running high for sure on the part of both clubs, this momentum is not an automatic thing.
Certainly isn't, and that moment of excitement continues until that first contact is made. Temperatures in the mid-50s. We had rain this morning. We expect no more.
There are so many outstanding players to tell you about. We're going to do our best as we go along. Play from scrimmage, and he got about 3 yards as he tried to slide along the line of scrimmage and find some running room.
Now, this is something that, if you look at the city defense, it's sort of a new defense. There will always, or about 65% of the time, I should say, there will be a man in front of the offensive center. Now they go to a regular standard type 4-3.
Who loses the football? Recovered, back the other way to the end zone. Touchdown!
Back to pass. Nobody open. He scrambles to the sideline. He's out of bounds. He's still in, Pat. So he is. Inside the 5. Touchdown.
I mean, look at what he does here. I mean, there's nobody open. You think he's just going to run out of bounds. But he doesn't run out of bounds. He stays inbound and then makes guys miss. Makes guys hit. And then boom, touchdown. And when you get a touchdown, you get to make muscle.
3 wide receivers set up.
This time he got picked. Here he's going long, and a man wide open. If Taney walks in.
Signals to all the players.
They need 3.5 for a first.
Yeah, we were talking about those screen passes. You usually throw screen passes to the side that the linebackers drop the deepest.
21 and a first. Postman. Look out here. He's intercepted. Still running inside the 20 and may run it back all the way. He does. And the ball is caught. Touchdown.
Probably the final play of the game. In regulation. Have won the Super Bowl.